The most beneficial breakfast here is the recipe. Breakfast is an extremely important meal that provides us with nutrients that can help us function during the day, boost our energy and improve concentration. However, many people don't even bother eating anything for breakfast and instead they only drink coffee in the morning. Numerous studies have discovered a link between breakfast and cardiovascular diseases, obesity, better memory, high cholesterol, and reduced risk of diabetes. Elevated food cravings and disturbed function of the body are linked to not having proper breakfast in the morning. The blood sugar level is reduced when we wake up in the morning, and the body needs a proper breakfast to fulfill the needed amount. In case you do not have any breakfast, you will consume more food amidst the entire day, so here you can read an amazing recipe for the healthiest breakfast ever. It offers numerous benefits and has an incredible taste. It contains healthy ingredients that can reduce the stomach fat, regulate the levels of cholesterol and glucose in blood and also burn calories. To prepare this breakfast you will need chia seeds and oats. These two ingredients are extremely beneficial for those who have the medical problems that were stated previously. Here are the benefits of oatmeal and chia seeds. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is rich in beta-glucan, which is a soluble fiber that is effective in lowering the bad cholesterol. It is also very efficient in ameliorating the cardiovascular health. Oatmeal is a rich source of thiamine, iron, zinc, manganese, selenium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Just one portion of prepared oatmeal contains 150 calories, 6 grams of proteins, and 4 grams of fiber. Chia seeds. This ingredient is a rich source of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. It has a positive effect on the cardiovascular health due to its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds provides 30% manganese, 18% calcium, 27% phosphorus, and small amounts of copper and potassium. A lot of investigations have proven that is very beneficial in case of diabetes, arthritis, and diverticulosis. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of honey, a pinch of salt. Preparation: take a pot and add in the water and after that the vanilla and cinnamon. Reduce the heat. When it begins to boil, put in the oats and boil for additional 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and do not uncover it for extra 5 minutes, and after that mix it nicely. Then include the honey, chia seeds, and salt. The breakfast is prepared. Bon appetit! If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more natural cures and weight loss tips, subscribe to the channel.